Right guys, welcome back to another episode, and today we've got some crazy cars as always. We've got a awesome convertible 991.2 Turbo S that's getting our signature ES900 package, and we've also got some other updates on some other cars, including this one. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Hi guys, and welcome back to ESMOTOR, and today we are working on this 991.2. It's in for our ES900 kit. So we're fitting our hybrid turbos here, along with our stainless steel exhaust system and larger CSF intercoolers, as you can see there. So yeah, just getting that all boxed off. It will be running a MEF kit as well. So yeah, get that all boxed up, get it on the dyno and show you what it does.
Right, so that 991.2 that we just did, we just installed the carbon roof on that. It had previously had a pan roof, so it took the headliner down, all the motors and the glass was removed, and then the new carbon roof was installed and sealed in. And so that is a, what is that? That was a 991.2. They didn't have a carbon roof on factory, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm not a Porsche expert.
Right guys, so Derek's ES900 VTG has been completed. That consisted of a full bolt-on kit, which was our VTG turbochargers, hybrid, exhaust system, intercoolers, wide pipe, plenum, and he went with our methanol injection system, as well as obviously the headers that are needed for that kit as well. So this car is his weekend car that he enjoys. Obviously we needed to make sure that it was completely reliable for long European trips, as well as ensuring that the drivability is 10/10. This is now literally the fastest convertible that we've done today. I think we got yeah, some consistent 4.3 100 to 200s, which is insanely quick. The convertibles are generally around about 0.4, 0.5 seconds slower than the coupes, so you'd expect a coupe to be around about a 3.9 second sort of setup with this same modifications. But yeah, it's an epic result. I want to show you guys also the meth kit, the tank, how it sits. So a lot of people, they get worried about losing space, but as you can see, the way the meth tank is designed, it still allows you to put quite a lot of stuff in there. I mean, look, the boots aren't massive on these from factory anyway, but I mean, you lose like less than a handful sort of worth of space. And that's quite a large tank. Capacity wise, it's about 22 litres, so it won't finish overnight. The other thing I wanted to show you was the actual meth gauge. So for you guys who want to have the sleeper look, you can keep your chrono in place there. So that stays in place. Oops, let me just get out of your way. So yeah, if you look in the interior, it looks completely stock. There's nothing to tell that it's been modified in any way. But then Shaz, if you open up that glove box there, and then we have the meth gauge just neatly put there on the side. So yeah, it's hidden away. We have it preset anyway, so for the driver they don't need to change those settings that are already in there. And then if he ever wants to have a look at it, he can just open his glove box and check to see what's going on. But yeah, there you guys have it. That's Derek's car. We'll go over to the dyno and show you what it made on the dyno exactly. We'll show you the draggy clips anyway to see what it actually did on the road as well. Right guys, so Derek's 991.2 Turbo S was completed on the dyno. That consisted of our ES900 VTG kit, and it was tuned on 99 V-power with methanol. So that car made 848.3 at the wheels, which converts to 1,000 crank horsepower. So 1,000 crank horsepower in a convertible. The reason why we left it a little bit lower than some of the other cars is on the convertibles, they're a little bit heavier. When you push them a little bit higher, it can put a little bit of strain on the clutch. We wanted the car to run as sweet as possible, which you can see from the draggies it does do. And as he's still on the stock clutch on that setup, this is kind of like where we wanted to cap it. But it's still a 1,000 horsepower convertible that you can enjoy on the weekends, put the roof down and gap a whole load of cars. So yeah, he's really going to enjoy that. And as you can see, that power curve and that torque curve, it's a really great curve. Power delivery is consistent throughout, and that torque is just flat as anything throughout. So it's a very, very fun car to drive that. And it's very, very fast. As you can see, that does translate to very fast times on the road because it did a 4.3, 100 to 200 consistently. But yeah, that's Derek's one, all done. Guys, so we've just pulled up. We're ready to show the numbers.
Bro, you want it miles per hour first?
Make sure there's 60 to 130. There you go, 3.04. On the street, unprepped.
Full weight.
Full weight. Look at this. Laptops there as well. 20-inch tires. These are 20.
Oh, wait. Bring it back here. Bring it
no
back
drag
here.
slicks.
Bring it back here.
Look at that.
On the street.
2.65. That's what we're talking about.
Show them the co-pilot car as well. The co-pilot car. Use that.